Paro mopogore opogore imedo gol kod jodak ma Munungo kachiel koda Munungo moko e kaunti ma Vihiga kachiel kod Namola e kaunti ma Siaya ywaruok mar kar kunyo mula ma en bang' duol ma ochung' ne rango alwora NEMA keto romo mar kawo pach jopiny ewi kunyo mula odiochieng' manyore gweng' mar Amula. Jodak ogolo paro mopogore opogore moting'o tamo kambi mar Shanta kawo lobno kendo keto kar kunyo mula. Moko kuom jodak oseyo lipot ma osebed kigolo kod NEMA makwedo moko kuom dwaro margi ka moko kuomgi to riwore kod NEMA.
To be given opportunity to express our views. It is totally wrong for people coming from other places, coming to colonize us. They want to displace us, and then they buy people to give false testimony. It is wrong.
I'm talking on behalf of the silent majority. We can't leave our ancestral land, which were given by God, here in Amula. And then again, this question of large-scale mining, which they want to bring here, that will cause a lot of problems because you can't mine and at the same time people will stay here. That means people will have to be shifted elsewhere. This is what they said of of resettling people. Resettling people. No, we said we are not leaving this place.
I want to say that I really support implementation of this proposed project. The only thing that I will request the company is that there is this bit of monitoring water quality that is stated to be done monthly. So perhaps they can consider increasing the frequency and do it on a weekly basis.
Zile vitu ambazo zimesoma kwa ile ripoti ya NEMA, hatukubaliani nazo hizo vitu ambazo ziko kwa zile ripoti. Kwa sababu tunazo stakeholders katika hii area. Tunao kanisa, tunao shule, tunao wale wachimba migodi kutoka hii area. Wachimba migodi hawajaweza wachimba migodi hawajaweza kujumuishwa katika ile ripoti. Sawa pia na kanisa hawajaweza kujumuishwa katika ile ripoti.